In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put videos in Lovable. We'll walk through the entire process from logging in to publishing a polished video portfolio site, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Lovable. Look for the official site in the results, then open it. On the homepage, locate the login option and click it. When the sign-in options appear, choose Continue with email. In the email field, type the email address you use for your Lovable account, then click Continue. Next, enter your password carefully. Make sure you're on the official site and never share your login details with anyone. When everything looks correct, click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where you can tell Lovable what you want to create. In that box, type a clear request like, "Build a portfolio website that showcases my videos." This gives Lovable a direct instruction about the kind of site you're aiming for. When you're happy with the wording, click Send. Now, give Lovable a moment to generate your site. You'll see the structure, pages, and sections come together automatically. When the initial version is ready, you can customize it. Update the text to reflect your style and goals. Swap any placeholder media with your own videos, and adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. If you're embedding hosted videos, use the platform's embed options. If you're uploading files directly, keep an eye on file size and format so they play smoothly. Clear titles, short descriptions, and simple navigation make it easier for viewers to find what they need. When you've made your changes, click Preview to see how the site behaves before it goes live. In preview mode, play your videos to confirm they load quickly and look sharp. Check the layout on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens to ensure everything is responsive. Test basic controls like play, pause, and volume, and make sure thumbnails, captions, and links work as expected. If something feels off, return to the editor to tweak spacing, headings, or media placement until it feels clean and consistent. When you're satisfied with how it looks and performs, click Publish. This will push your video site live so you can share it with your audience. Take a final glance at the live version to confirm everything matches your preview, and you're done. That's how to put videos in Lovable. From search to login to prompt to customization to a polished published site.